Hello guys, review smartphone Huawei P30 Lite. This version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. Start unpacking, open box. Device in the blue color, Aurora blue color. In complementation we have quick guide, key for SIM slot, adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and headphones in complementation. Okay, good complementation. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the back side triple camera and LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.15 inch display, front camera and speaker. On the left side without controls, right side power key and volume keys, up side slot and speaker. Open this slot. This slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card. This slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay, close the slot. On the downside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and jack for headphones. Turn on device. Full HD resolution. Open settings, about phone, version Lumia 9.0.1, version Android 9. Close this. Display LTPS. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. High silicon Kirin 710. This is octa-core processor 4 plus 4 cores. 4 cores work 1.7 and 4 cores 2.2 GHz work. GPU G51, resolution and display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score and GPU test results. Okay, close Geekbench 4 and talk about results in Antutu benchmark, ranking. Okay. Close this and open demanding game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Max graphic level. Resume game. Game load and works not bad on the max graphic level. Yeah, good gameplay on the max graphic level without lags and glitches. Okay, GTA San Andreas work without problem. Close game and talk about camera. We have triple camera, 38 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels, this main camera, and front camera 24 megapixels. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.